Welcome to another Uganda Diaries vlog, where I share with you my experiences with travel, culture and life in Uganda. Well, today was a very simple day. You know, not every day is particularly interesting, particularly spectacular. Some days I would just go out, see what's in town, see what needs to be bought, or just kind of do window shopping and then come across something interesting, pick it up, and then go back home. I think this was kind of one of those days because I was sort of getting ready to travel to Kitgum, so I don't know, I guess that's where my mind was. Sometimes I stop at this place and grab a snack to eat. And then I walked into the market. Actually, I was checking on a dress that I had asked this lady to make for me, and it wasn't ready yet. So I just left. So I just left. And I went to run some other errands. And then I went back. So right now I'm on a border. And then I visited my mum again in the studio. She was with Lucky David here.
So if you wanted to be there,
making some music.
It back there, then
no. We just want that the one because it will be too many.
So which means I should remove this one. Yeah.
Why?
The chorus, though.
Huh?
I removed this one now.
There was Lord, we welcome you there, and then now I'm hearing.
Yes, it was here.
And like I told you, this is something that my mum really enjoys doing, so she always takes the opportunity to make music whenever she's back home in Uganda.
In Bethlehem, he was born to set us free. He was born for you and me. Praise the Lord for the victory. Lord, we welcome you in this place. We welcome you. Searching for someone today, calling out to the old and the young.
Okay. Dan lo itimo iwar ye ko nung la chan.
Ye la chan. Ati biong itu merke.
Tiga karma be.
So after the studio, I decided to go and do my nails, my hands and feet, because I actually broke a nail in the studio, like as I was walking out, trying to get out. So then I went to this salon here in Gulu, and after that I felt really good. I felt like, yeah, I'm ready now. I'm ready. So I'm finally back home. It was a bit of a long and kind of annoying day. I mean, it was all right. Like, it started off with me like trying to do the nails and then trying to find out if my dress was complete. And then I went into the market and my dress was not complete. She said, come back tomorrow in the morning, check on your dress. She hadn't even started. So I was like, okay, can I check on the progress? Hadn't started. So hopefully the dress is done by the time I check on it tomorrow. I went back, I went to the nail place, and they said they would call me when they're done, when they're ready to do my nails. And they called me, and in the end they ended up charging me way more than what I expected. Yeah, it's like what they told me was like the base price, but it's just like I really need to learn how to do nails myself, like even on myself, because then I won't have to rely on them. Like, I literally could pack a mini kit and just do this stuff myself. Anyway, these are the nails. These are the nails. This is how they turned out. Do you like them? And then on the feet, he also got a French polish with same pinkish color, and then the white tip. But that was because they had the actual color that I want was not there, was not available. Anyways, this is gonna have to be a good night. Tomorrow we are off to Kitgum, back to Kitgum town, and then of course to the village. So come along. Hopefully everything goes to plan, and yeah, you get to see it. Join us in Kitgum. Okay, bye bye. This is the next day. Well, on this day I was supposed to travel to Kitgum with my mom, but I ended up not feeling so good. So everybody was telling me, Tabby, stay, Tabby, stay. They just wanted me to stay. They just wanted me to stay in Gulu. So I decided to stay since I wasn't feeling so good. Guys, nothing was wrong with me. I was just on my period, literally. So I got past this food through the window into the bedroom and I ate it. Oh yeah, it was absolutely delicious. The name of this dish is Otwoo. Hope I said that right. With sweet potato, layata. Absolutely delicious. So yeah, like I said, I wasn't feeling so good because I always get cramps like on my period. That happens once a month on time, bang on time. So my dad was like, oh, Tabby, stay here in Gulu. And then they started praying for me. Guys, nothing was wrong with me. I just get cramps. Like, you can think I'm a sick person, like, when I'm on my period, because it's like, I'm like struggling. Like, I can't even function normally sometimes. But then the moment that it's a day, the moment that day 2 is over, I'm literally perfect. And it's like nothing ever happened. Honestly, I think I'm a superhero because I'm a woman. And this happens to me on a monthly basis. Guys, please give your women their flowers. Give your women the props that they deserve. Because the kind of things we have to go through, like, is not nice. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this vlog. And join me for tomorrow's vlog. Bye. It's a rainy day in Gulu today. Literally so wet. I'm not feeling that great, so I'm indoors. It's kind of nice to have the rain because it's cooling everything down, but at the same time I'm just like, oh, it's not as sunny as usual. But yeah, we are in rainy season.